Hi photographers, my name is Ksenia Pro and I'm inviting you inside my luxury maternity photography academy. I've been doing portrait and fashion photography for over 10 years, but only a few years ago when I finally discovered maternity photography, I felt like I found my calling. And that allowed me to do meaningful work while still being creative and exploring my passion for fashion photography. But back then, staying busy, being overworked and overwhelmed all the time, for me was the definition of success. And this drove me to major overwhelm and burnout. So only 2 years ago, when I finally decided to change things around, overcome my fears, my money blocks, I decided to niche down, specialize in maternity photography, what I love doing the most. And this is when I saw the biggest change in my photography business. I went from charging $350 for a session to now having an average sale of $2,000 per session. And not to mention that I moved to the US not so long ago with no money, no connections, English is not my first language, and yet that didn't stop me from building a six-figure photography business in short 4 years and now taking it to the next level of multiple six-figure photography business. All of that while becoming a new mom. Now I have a 4-year-old daughter, so it's a constant battle of balancing life and work. So finally this year I decided to create an exclusive training for photographers who have it in them, who have that passion, who truly care about their clients, but who want to take it to the next level. So if you are a new photographer and you're just trying to figure out what niche is right for you, I'm happy to introduce you to the maternity photography and show you the ropes so you can actually launch your business faster. Or if you already are an experienced professional photographer but you've never done maternity photography before and you're looking to learn more, this is the training for you. And finally, for those of you who already fell in love with maternity photography and producing amazing images, but you feel like you're lacking the communication skills and maybe you're not where you want to be with the business side of things, I'm happy to share my insights and help you build the photography business of your dreams. This is not a how to get rich quickly training. You have to have what it takes to do the hard work behind the scenes. If this message is resonating with you and you feel like you want to learn more, drop your email under this video so we can send you more information and some free bonus, some free training that you can get so much value from already. And after getting to know me better, if you feel like this is the right training for you, I'll be happy to see you inside Luxury Maternity Photography Academy. I can't wait to help you rediscover the passion for photography, find your niche, and finally create a sustainable and profitable business. Again, my name is Ksenia Pro. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.